Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Lewis and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In question number 12 we are given that OB the origin, OA and OB position vector of the point A and B with respect to the origin O. To see the points satisfying this relation, we have to find the unit vector in the direction of OC. So according to given relation, AC is 2 times AB. So we can write AC as OC minus OA 2 times OB minus OA. OC we have to determine, so we can write 2 OB minus OA. It is minus 2 times and plus 1. Substituting value, what is OB? OA it implies OC equal, the magnitude of OC is unit vector is defined as the vector by its magnitude. So we have to find its magnitude, which is 7, and we divide the vector OC by its magnitude, you will get the unit vector. If you take the magnitude of this one, you will get 1. So it means this is a vector in the direction of AC, which is unit. For the second part, the position vector of D is 1, 4, K. Satisfying this relation, we have to determine the value of M, N and K. So according to the equation 1, OD is M time OA, N time OB, where M, N are the constant real numbers. What is OD? 1, 4, K, OA 4, 1 minus 2 and OB 3D minus 4. So we can write 1, 4K equal 4M 3N M 2N minus 2M minus 4N. These two vectors are equal, so equating the corresponding elements, you will get you can see that we have 3 unknown M, N and K, and we have 3 quotient. So we can find the value of M, N and K unique values. Let's say this is a star. So by the first and second equation, if we solve simultaneously, M is equal to 4 minus 2 and substitute in 1. You will get N is 3, and from 1 or 2 you can get M equal minus 2, and from 3 K equal which is minus 8. Hence we have find all the unknowns N, M and K. So the relation will be for K equal to minus 8. Hence we have done.